Being honest may not earn you a plethora of friends, but it will always attract the right ones. Don't fret over what others think of you. Everyone is primarily concerned with themselves. Comparing your life to others is a waste of precious time. Focus on your own journey. Avoid becoming emotionally attached as people change, even those closest to you. Learn to find contentment and happiness within yourself. Dependence on others weakens you. Share your progress, not your aspirations. It's the key to staying motivated. Embrace solitude fearlessly. It's preferable to toxic company. Those who demand the most often contribute the least. Choose your commitments wisely. Take your responsibilities seriously, but don't take yourself too seriously. Fear isn't a barrier, it's a sign of interest and concern. Push through it. Avoid making permanent decisions based on temporary emotions. Avoid placing anyone on a pedestal. Maintain equality in relationships. Be mindful of what you share. Not everything needs to be vocalized. Live in integrity. Actions should align with truth to avoid future falsehoods. Don't be deceived by appearances. True brightness lies in substance, not just words. Happiness isn't external. It resides within. Cultivate it. Focus on your present self. It's where your obligation is. Respect your parents' wisdom, regardless of their formal education. Act with confidence, as if you've experienced it before. Overthinking is detrimental. It distorts reality and magnifies problems. Prioritize self-care. Overcoming personal obstacles is essential. Acknowledge that your life experience is forming your character. Connect the dots later. Commitment initiates action. Consistency sustains progress, and persistence ensures success. Love can manifest multiple times. Embrace change and growth. Moving on from past relationships is essential for personal growth. Remain open-minded like an artist, and approach life with scientific curiosity. Your purpose isn't found elsewhere. It's created where you are. Appreciate the present. It's the foundation for a fulfilling future. Seek enrichment through experiences, not material possessions. Action breeds clarity. Progress stems from decisive steps. Your mindset shapes your reality. Cultivate positivity to attract happiness. Seek advice wisely. Discern the source before accepting guidance. Suppress the ego. Gratitude enhances perception and fosters generosity. Forgive and forget. Dwelling on past grievances hinders progress. Embrace change. It's a catalyst for growth and opportunity. Life offers various chapters. Embrace each one with courage and adaptability. Accept the past. It's a stepping stone, not an anchor. Cherish what you have while striving for what you desire. Dream boldly. Action is the catalyst for transformation. Risks are inevitable. Embrace them as opportunities for growth. Believe in your potential. Every obstacle is an invitation for evolution. Stay resilient. Challenges forge inner strength and wisdom. Balance self-love with self-awareness. Your harshest critic and greatest ally reside within. Your response to adversity defines your character. Choose resilience. Reflect on past experiences, but don't dwell. Focus on future growth. Gratitude amplifies joy and fosters abundance. Your inner strength surpasses your perceived limitations. Courage is paramount. It propels you toward your aspirations. Trust your instincts. They often unveil truths obscured by doubt. Value relationships. Cherish those who enrich your life. Embrace challenges. They refine your character and illuminate your path. Empower yourself. Your choices shape your destiny. Seek wisdom from experience. It's the beacon guiding future actions. Embrace change. It's the crucible for transformation. Embrace the unknown. It's where growth thrives. Persevere. Every setback is a lesson in disguise. Embrace vulnerability. It's the gateway to strength and connection. Stay adaptable. Resilience is the hallmark of progress. Choose courage over comfort. Greatness lies beyond fear. Each setback is a setup for a comeback. Resilience is your greatest asset. Pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. Choose resilience. Believe in yourself. Your journey is a testament to your strength. Trust the process. Challenges shape your character and fortify your spirit. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Resilience is your greatest asset. Forge your path with courage. Greatness awaits beyond fear. Trust your journey. Every experience shapes your evolution. Embrace adversity. It's the crucible for growth and transformation. Believe in your potential. Every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise. Stay resilient. Your inner strength surpasses any obstacle. Courageously navigate uncertainty. Growth thrives in the unknown.